Hello class, what's up? It's Raj here. So today we are discussing about the class 9 static and the hard problem of the RS Agrawal. Okay. So our first question is the weight in grams of 50 apples picked at the random from a consignment are as follow. So these are the number class you can see on the board. What is the total number we calculate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total number is class 50 are there. So, from the group, the frequency table by dividing the variable range into the intervals of equal width of 20 gram. What the next is? The group frequency. Okay, the table by dividing the variable range into the intervals of equal width of 20 gram says that the mid value of first class interval is 70 gram. So, how we concluded? Let the size of, there is a given that the size of each class is 20. If we are talking about it, the size of each class is 20 and the lower limit of the first class interval be A. We have to consider the class. What is consideration? The lower limit of the first class interval will be A. After that, what is the calculation will be? Then the upper limit equals to A plus 20. I have to conclude that we have to the lower limit of A let and after the upper limit will be A plus 20. What will be happen? The mid value of the first class interval is 70. That is also given in the question and 20 is also given in the question. I mark it. So next A plus 20 divided by 2 equals to 70. So these are the finalized equation of it. After that cross multiplication, what we get? 2A plus 20 equals to 140. You can see that class. 2A plus 20 equals to 140. So 2A equals to 140. The 20 goes to another side. The sign will be changes. What will be happen? 140 minus 20. 2A equals to 120. A is equal to 60 class. After that, the first class interval is 60 to 80. So we can get that. So after that, weight in grams 60 to 80. So these are the number. How we will conclude that? We have to take the upper limit minus 1. We take it from here because this is starting from 60 to 80. If we are taking 80 in this, in the telemark and frequency, what is the result of it? We can't get in another round. So 60 to 80, 80 to 100. I just put it down. Okay. By your pencil, you can put it down in a copy. 79, 99, 119, 139, 159, 179, 199 to 1. So what is the conclusion of it? 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200, 200 to 220. So there is the telemarker there. We can conclude that the frequency are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 cut down. This is called 5. There is a 13. So if you calculate in this, for example, 60 to 80. So I will do it the one, but rest you have to do it all. Okay. 60, 60, 60 to 80. Huh? 60. 60 to 80. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Anyone else? No. So the frequency will be 5 and the telemark will be 5. That's it. Thank you so much.